What are significant figures? It's nothing to do with fat shaming, and it's nothing to do with African American female NASA mathematicians. Significant figures is all about how accurately a number is known. So, let's say I was going to measure the length of this Sharpie pen here. Say, first off, if I had a ruler, and let's say for argument's sake, my ruler only had centimeter lines along the top there. So I measure that Sharpie pen and I line one end up with 0, and I can see the other end is nearly to the 14 centimeter line. Right? It's not quite to the 14 centimeter line, but nearly there. So it's a little bit less than 14 centimeters. I can't say it's 13.9. I can't say it's 13.8 because I don't actually know if it's 13.7 or 13.8. So all I can write is that it's 14 centimeters. So with the centimeter ruler, right, 14 centimeters is the length. That number there we measured, it has 2 digits that are telling us the information, right? So we can say that that is a 2 significant figure number, or a 2 significant figure measurement. Let's say I did it again, but this time I had a ruler, and it had the ruler had the millimeter lines on there, and again I'm going to measure it, and lining one end up with 0, and I can now measure that the length is 137 millimeters. 137 millimeters. That number there is 3 significant figures. I had to write 3 digits to convey that information. And if I used an even more accurate measuring device, this here is a vernier caliper. Measure the Sharpie pen again. Now this thing can measure accurately to 1/10 of a millimeter. So if I put that in there, and I measure the length, right, I get a length of 137.2 millimeters. So that number is 4 significant figures, or 4SF for short. So you can see, the more accurately the number is known, the more significant figures the number is going to be recorded to.